So now we are going to be finding the median for Cleveland Browns points scored per game. So these are all the points they scored each game of the season. We got 3, 13, 13, 13, 13, 15, 19, 19, 21, 23, 23, 24, 27, 28, 40, and 41. So we need to find the median. So we put them in numerical order here. And then we start by crossing off one from each side. So 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. And then we have 2 left. So what we have to do is we have to add these together, 19 plus 21, which gives us 40. And then we divide the 40 by 2, because we have 2 left over here. And 40 divided by 2 equals 20. So 20 is our median.